What's up, dudes and dudettes? Staying at whatever shelter this was called for the night and heading into Erwin, uploading footage. And yeah. Alright, folks. Heading out on the trail this morning. Don't know what time it is again, but heading to Uncle Johnny's hostel. It's about 5 miles from where I am right now. It's a nice downhill to get there, so shouldn't be bad. I felt like I shortchanged getting some good footage at Beauty Spot, but oh well. Anyways, gonna try and upload all this footage so I can not care about how much I record the following 2 or 3 days, and we'll take it from there. So I'll see you in the rebound on the flip side on the... Okay, I'm done. Booty here, finishing up this 1,000-foot climb out of Uncle Johnny's, south of Uncle Johnny's, Erwin. I finally uploaded all my footage so I can film a tad bit more. The weather has been nice and sunny. A little on the hot side. I've been sweating each day, so would love a little more chilly October weather, but this is still really nice and hasn't rained at all. And if it rained all day tomorrow, I wouldn't be mad. So anyways, let me catch my breath here. Yeah, so anyways, got into Erwin from a shuttle and ate lunch at Bojangles with a southbounder named Cheddar. Good dude. Then we went to the food line. Food line's expensive, by the way. Got some resupply for the next 2.5 days and got a Red Bull for this hike. Feeling good. Just huffing and puffing on my way up. Probably hit No Business Now shelter and call it a night for tonight. Peace out. Alright, I'm about to show you my style of going downhill. Whew. Ah. October 6th, and you can see that the leaves are starting to change a fiery red. And I think we're a couple thousand feet up, if I'm not mistaken. Alright folks, we're at No Business Knob Shelter, and as you can see right there, we've got a few bear hangs gone wrong. Some rookie hikers, probably me one day too, messing up on the bear hang and leaving rope up on the tree branch. But speaking of bears, I came across a bear running away from me on top of the hill, not even 0.2 miles away from here. So I usually put my food in my hammock with me. Maybe not tonight. So we're gonna figure something out. I don't have rope. So yeah, hopefully have my food by tomorrow.